Good morning, traders. This is John Kennedy with RJO Futures in Chicago. Just giving you a quick grains rundown here this morning. First of all, the grain markets are trading mixed. Corn's trading at about 414, the December contract up about 3 cents for the day. Beans remain down about 7 3/4 cents, around 12.80. And then the wheat market in December is up at about 644, up about 2 cents. Firstly, referring to yesterday's report schedule, the export inspections came in once again across the board. The grains beat expectations. Once again, soybeans came in with massive export numbers, primarily to once again, the big buyers, the People's Republic of China and other Asian markets. But in addition to that, corn and wheat were also very good and above expectations. Secondly, crop progress. The wheat progress had declined a bit from the week before to about 63% for good and excellent, but overall that's the highest number in the past 4 years and the second highest in the last 9. So overall the outlook is fairly good. As far as harvest for beans and corn, the corn market is finishing a little slowly. There was some wet weather that slowed things down, standing at about 91% complete. But once again, it's well ahead of expectations, especially in relation to last year, so things are still looking good. Soybean harvest is virtually done at about 95%, and then similar to the corn, it's well beyond the expectations for those markets. Heading forward here, the U.S. weather mix benefits the wheat market. There is going to be some rain that should be beneficial to that market, but as I mentioned, that may slow down the harvest of the corn and soybeans in some ways. South America, once again, is looking good as well. Patches of very, very comfortable weather with rainfall where needed. The grain markets overall obviously have declined significantly over the past couple weeks, and things still remain fairly weak. Soybeans had a big sell-off on Friday, and looks to be continued weakness there, especially in the meal, oil, and spreads. There is some fund unwinding, so there may be further downside, especially with the crop being projected to be so large and the weather being favorable. Corn is also on the bearish side, especially with the exports. There was a shipment flagged in China because of a GMO, but that looks to be potentially a one-time issue, as that specific strain will probably be approved in China as it has with other nations here in the near term. Wheat as well continues to look weak. It's very oversold, but once again, all indications are at this point that there's still further room to move to the downside. But keep the eyes peeled, because those are buying opportunities, especially with how oversold they are. Remember, traders, that futures and options may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Until the next time, good trading and have a great day.